Hi, let's discover glowing water balls that bounce. These are not just balls, they are magic glowing crystal balls that bounce. Sign inside this transparent ball, water is filled, it glitters, and a tiny light system that creates this amazing glow. Ball shines in green, blue, like a mini galaxy. And see, there is also a fish within the water of the ball. High bounce ball. I will drop them and they will bounce back with glowing energy. Let me show you. Floats in water, reflecting light in every direction, creating this magical sparkling effect. It's super satisfying. Now tell me, which color is your favorite? Tell me in the subscribe for such amazing toys.